Find or read reviews that people are talking about FenkeYiHui 452cc remote control lawn mower. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features: 452cc powerhouse and 1.2 acres per hour. Powered by a 452cc commercial engine and 2800-watt brushless motor, this mower features a 31.5-inch wide deck to clear 1.2 acres per hour. It delivers high torque and efficiency for both home gardens and large farms. Reinforced shell and 60 safety chains. Built with an upgraded protective engine shell and side baffles for durability. The front and rear are guarded by 60 heavy-duty steel chains to stop debris kickback and minimize grass entanglement, ensuring safer operation. 55 degrees climbing and remote height adjust. With superior traction, it easily conquers 55 degrees steep slopes and performs zero-turn maneuvers. The cutting height is adjustable from 1.2 to 5-inch via duct remote control, allowing instant adaptation to uneven terrain. 1,640 feet range with auto stop. The industrial remote offers precise control up to 1,640 feet, keeping you away from noise and danger. For added safety, the mower performs an automatic emergency stop if the signal is lost or power fails. Complete KIT and after-sales support. Comes ready to use with a full toolkit, spare blades, belt, charger, and batteries. We provide professional support and free replacement parts to resolve any issues quickly and keep your equipment running. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.